There's just a few more days left for LG to announce its flagship for this year, the LG G4. And LG seems to be not a big fan of rumors, so it has made lots of its features official by releasing teasers now and then in the last few weeks. And today, I'm going to take a look at what all to expect from the upcoming LG G4. Hey guys, it's Adi here. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Let's begin by talking about the things that we know officially from LG. Let's start with the display itself. LG will be using a Quantum IPS Quad HD display in its upcoming LG G4. It will be sporting a 5.5-inch Quad HD display to be exact. So the Quantum display, according to LG, claims to be 25% brighter and has 20% wider color range than its previous predecessor, the LG G3. There is nothing much special about the display itself. It's an incremental update and a much more improved IPS display from last year's G3. Let's talk about the design. The LG G4 looks quite similar to its predecessor, the LG G3, but it has a slight curve to its back, making it much more comfortable to hold it. It also will sport a removable back cover with two options. One is kind of looks like plastic, and the other one is made up of genuine leather and with a lot of color options. It will also sport a removable battery and will support micro SD card. And the front of the phone will have a carbon fiber weave pattern, which looks kind of cool. LG also released a teaser talking about its camera features. It will feature f1.8 16 megapixel rear facing camera and a supposedly 8 megapixel front facing, or according to some rumors, a 5.1 megapixel front facing camera. The camera itself will feature, the camera software itself will feature a lot of manual controls according to some rumors. There is also a color spectrum sensor near the flash to make sure you get some really natural colors when taking pictures. LG has also released a couple of new teasers talking about its new user interface, the UX 4.0. It also features a lot of new functions like quick shot, where you can just double tap the volume down key even when the phone is completely locked and take a picture as fast as you can. There's also a lot of other features that LG talks about in its teaser video about its user interface. Quite recently, a website was leaked in which you could find everything about the upcoming LG G4. Well, you can take it with a grain of salt because there are some things that still don't correlate with the teasers that was released by the LG G4. For example, on the website, the operating system was Android 4.4.4, which is KitKat, but according to the LG's teaser videos, it was clearly Android Lollipop. So according to the website, which is taken down by now, the LG G4 will be sporting a Snapdragon 808 processor and not the 810 processor because of some throttling and overheating issues. These are some of the rumored and official specs and features of the upcoming LG G4, which will be announced on April 28th. So be sure to follow me on all the social networks. The links are available in the description so that you guys can be up to date as soon as the G4 is announced. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the LG's G4 has got what it takes to come on top of Samsung's completely redesigned and premium S6 and S6 Edge? Do you guys think that the LG G4's removable battery and the micro SD card support will make people think before buying the Samsung's Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge? Be sure to leave a comment below the like button and let me know. Anyway guys, thank you for watching as always. Be sure to like, share and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the red subscribe button. It really does help the channel a lot and I would really appreciate it. Until next time guys, this is Adi here, signing off.